Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make old-fashioned beef stew with red wine. Okay? Alright, let me show you the ingredients we got. We got some celery right here, like 2 stalks of celery. Right here I have 24 ounces of potatoes, red and yellow. And I have 2 carrots sliced up. And right here is my beef stew meat. I like mine to be kind of room temperature because we're going to season this up and sear this in our skillet. You're going to need some olive oil. You're going to need some bay leaf, some butter, some beef bouillon with 2 tablespoons of this beef bouillon with 3 cups of water. Right here. So we're going to use a total of like 6 cups because I'm making quite a bit. And this do not last long at all in this house. Alright, I have 3 garlic right here that I gotta chop up. I have some flour right here that we're gonna make a roux with so we can thicken our gravy. This is some snow peas right here. That's like a ½ cup. This is some grounded thyme. This is right here some grounded coriander. I have 2 cans of stewed tomatoes, 14½ ounce. This was going to kick it off right here, this red wine right here. We also have some garlic, some black pepper, and some caramelized onion right here by Kinder. This is off the chain, guys. You gotta go get you some of this. You can find this at Walmart or at Costco's and Sam's. I'm a member of it all, so. This is my olive oil. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and move this stuff out the way. So with this right here, we're gonna put us like a tablespoon of this salt. But you do put your olive oil in there first. I don't know why I didn't do that. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of this. Alright, we're gonna come in here with some of this grounded thyme. Let's go with a teaspoon. Alright, coriander, so a teaspoon of coriander. Alright, we're going to come in here with a tablespoon of this caramelized onion. No, I mean a teaspoon, I mean a teaspoon. We're going to come in here with some garlic. We do a teaspoon of that. So mostly on all my seasoning I'm using a teaspoon. And other than that salt, I'll use a tablespoon. Alright guys, we're just going to mix this up with our hands. Do let your meat become room temperature. It just cooks a little bit better. So yeah, we're just going to mix this up, guys. And if you wanted to, you can do this like a day in advance. And just make the meat taste that much better. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and take this to the skillet. And we're just going to sear this up, fam. I'll probably put a little bit more black pepper on this. And that'll probably be it. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Put a little olive oil in here. So we need some to sear this up. Try not to overcrowd it. It's going to take a little time to do it. So just take your time, man. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and let this cook for about a minute on this side. I'm going to flip it over and do the other side and so forth and so on. And I'll show you what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm just going to turn these over. I'm on medium heat. Alright, we're going to let this cook. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of these up. And I'll show you what we'll be doing next. Pretty much we're going to be putting this in a pot with some wine and some water. Okay guys, this is my second batch. I'm just going to go ahead and take these out. Put them in this pot over here. Put my last word back in here. Okay, fam. See all that dark black stuff in there? We're going to add a tablespoon of this butter. Like so. Celery. Garlic. Put a little bit more olive oil in here. It'll help work it out. Get this stuff going. Don't worry about all them little black bits and pieces and stuff. We want all of that stuff, okay? I'm just going to work it a little bit just like so. We'll come on with our flour. Work it out. So you just want to cook this flour down, guys, till this flour is, you know, kind of pasty like. Alright? We don't want that pasty taste. So you just want to cook it down a little bit. We're going to come in here with our beef broth. Start working this stuff. And you get all them bits and pieces off the bottom. Let this come up to like a little simmer. Stir it again, and we're going to put it in the pot with our rest of our meat. This is our meat in there. Okay? See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Just going to go ahead and pour this in here. Get all this stuff out of there. I'm going to throw 3 cups of water in there. We may need 2 more cups, guys. Like so. Stir that around up in here. Alright. Right here with our potatoes and our carrots. Like that. Hold on for a second. I gotta open up these cans of tomatoes. Here's my tomatoes. These are stewed tomatoes. I'm going with 2 cans of these. Like so. Have 2 bay leaves. Just gonna mix this around, guys. We're gonna let this cook for about 45 minutes with the lid on, okay? And then we'll put our peas in there. We want our peas to cook nice and slow, okay? So they pretty much done. You just put them in afterwards. See you guys in a minute. I forgot to tell you, we want to let this cook on medium low. On mine is in between 3 and 4 on an electric stove. That's what we're going to cook ours on, okay? When it starts boiling and all that stuff, then we'll turn it on simmer, which is probably be 2 or low. Okay, see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Here it is right there. Old-fashioned beef stew using red wine right there. Okay, I'm gonna have a little Tabasco sauce with mine and a little homemade cornbread. So let me show you that up close. That's how that looks, fam. I did have to had to cut up another 2 or 3 potatoes because I like a lot of potatoes in mine. I mean, you guys do what you want to do with yours, but I like a lot of potatoes in mine. So guys, if you like this video of this old-fashioned beef stew using red wine, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in Veil Dogg's Kitchen. Much love.